Okay, we're gonna manage the local security policy editor. Policy. Security policy. Okay. So the two folders that are logged are the account and local policies. Alright. Click on password policy. And appropriately. If the default minimum password on the main controller should be 0, should be no nothing. 0 characters. Click on local security. Okay, and make it 8 characters. Okay. Alright. Based on Microsoft's agreed practice, how many days should a password be used before it expires? Yeah, I want to say at least 6 months to a year. But I have no idea. I don't really know what the best practices are. Um, but I guess it's 60 days, huh? So let's make it 60 days. Um, password issue. What is, what is the purpose of the enforced password history? I guess it's to ensure that you don't use the same password. Um, you want to be able to use like different varying passwords so that nobody can crack your code. Sorry, password remember. Yeah, the current password. Okay, 10 password type. Alright. 10 passwords. Remember, 2 days, 0 days, 8 characters. Alright. Which setting should be modified to prevent a user from changing a password 10 times in one day? Which settings should be modified to prevent a user from changing a password 10 times in one day? I don't know the answer to this one. Which setting should be modified to prevent a user from changing their password 10 times one day? I think, I don't know. Prevent quick looks. Policy. Account lockout password. Oh, it's what is the purpose of the account lockout password? So like it sets a limit to how long you you could try using your password after failing like multiple times. I think. Were the other two options in the account lockout policy on that? So were the other two options in the account lockout policy automatically set? Yeah, it was set automatically to 30 minutes, I think, in the local security policy window. Oh. Audit login events. Okay. So based on the security settings, so basically I log out, I sign out and try to come back in. Maybe pass 1, 2, pass 1, 2, pass 3, pass 1, 2. locked out of the account. My bad. But I mean, essentially, if I go to Event Viewer, if I go into Windows Logs, security, it would show it would show that it would audit all the my failed attempts into logging in. It would show all my failed attempts in the event um in the event viewer. Pretty cool. Target username should be PC1. The workstation name should be um I don't know actually. Oh shit. Oh well. Sorry, I kind of messed up the lab a little bit, but I get it. I understand it, Mr. Professor Raul. I understand this. Okay, please do not knock me down for this. I do know how to do it. I just misread the content, and um, so I'm locked out for a bit for 30 minutes. So